With the intention of building supply chain assaults, rogue extensions might be uploaded using a new attack vector that targets the Visual Studio Code extensions marketplace. According to Uli Goldman, a security researcher at Aqua, the method may operate as an entrance point for an assault on multiple businesses. In a paper released last week, developers may enhance their workflows by adding programming languages, debuggers, and tools to the Versus Code source code editor using Versus Code extensions, which are selected through a Microsoft-provided marketplace. When describing the possible dangers of employing Versus Code extensions, Goldman remarked, "All extensions execute with the rights of the user that has opened the VS Code without any sandbox. The extension may thus install any software on your computer, including malware, wipers, and more," according to the statement. To that aim, Aqua discovered that in addition to the marketplace allowing the adversary to utilize the same name and extension publisher details, including the project repository information, a threat actor may spoof a well-known extension by making minor changes to the URL. The fact that there are no limitations on the other identifying qualities implies that the approach might be used to fool developers even while it prevents the replication of the number of installs and stars. The check mark just demonstrates that the extension publisher is the legitimate owner of a domain, therefore the verification badge given to writers might be easily avoided, according to the research. To put it another way, a bad actor may purchase any domain, register it to receive the verified checkmark, and then submit a Trojanized extension with the same name as a genuine one to the marketplace. Developers from all around the world installed a proof of concept, POC, extension posing as the prettier code formatting tool in less than 48 hours, according to Aqua. Since then, it has been removed. Threats to the software supply chain have previously been a source of worry in the Versus Code extensions industry. A number of security holes in popular Versus Code extensions with millions of downloads were discovered by the corporate security company Snike in May 2021. These flaws might have been used by threat actors to breach developer environments. In order to run harmful code inside the network of enterprises, attackers are always attempting to diversify their toolkit, according to Goldman.